Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Cardano from Kraken to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're holding ADA on Kraken and want to secure it in your Tangem hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto tech evolves quickly. First things first, make sure you have your Kraken account set up with funds in Cardano, ADA, and your Tangem wallet ready. You'll need the wallet address from your Tangem device. Grab that by opening the Tangem app and selecting the Receive option. It's crucial to copy this address accurately to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account on the website or app. Head over to the Funding or Withdraw section. It's usually in the top menu. Once there, find the withdrawal page and search for Cardano in the list of assets. Next, select Cardano, ADA, from the drop-down. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Paste your Tangem wallet address into the designated field. Double-check it for typos. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Kraken might ask for a network fee or minimum withdrawal amount, so keep an eye on that. Before confirming, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's your best friend for security. Hit the Confirm button, and Kraken will send a verification code to your email or phone. Enter that, and you're good to go. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. A quick tip. Always monitor your Tangem wallet for the incoming ADA. If something goes wrong, contact Kraken support right away. And remember, with blockchain's transparency, you can track your transaction on a Cardano Explorer. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn your Cardano to your Tangem wallet. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Stay safe out there and happy trading.